Hello everyone, I'm Sean Spalding, and I just wanted to create a quick video for you to go over the fictitious business name statement. I think it'll help out with the assignment. So let's just jump right into it. So once you click on the link in the assignment, you'll see a form like this pop up, probably in your web browser, and it's exactly what it states it is. It's the instructions for the fictitious business name statement. So it gives you all the information you need to complete the statement. It also gives you the relevant law, in other words, why the information that is being requested is required. So you can scroll through here and take a look at everything that you'll need to have to the extent that it's relevant. You'll also see the publication requirements, which is an additional part of the process of completing a fictitious business name statement. And you'll need to answer some questions on that in the assignment. Then you scroll down and you actually have what needs to be filled out, the fictitious business name statement. This is what you'll fill out and take to the county recorder's office or mail to, or have a third party file for you. So here, pretty straightforward. You need to fill out the fictitious business name here. So whatever name it is that you're going to operate under, this is what, or this is the section you need to fill that out in. You also need to put the address information, the physical address and the mailing address, if it's different. You'll put your registered information, whether you're an individual, a corporation, LLC, general partner, etc. That needs to be filled out. Pay close attention to this. In the assignment, you are a corporation, or in other words, you have formed a corporation and are going to operate under this fictitious business name. So this needs to be filled out appropriately. There's only going to be one registrant, so you can don't be confused by B here. Fill out 4, and then you have facts to fill out 5 in the assignment, and then make sure that you complete 6 correctly, again as a corporation. Okay, then as you scroll down, when you take these forms into the San Diego County Recorder's Office, you'll need to have this filled out in the affidavit of identity. And again, it quotes the reason why, what law actually requires this to be filed. So you have to put the fictitious business name, registrant name and address, and then certify, under penalties of perjury, who the identity is here for the statement. And that's basically what you'll need to take in if you are filling this out for your corporation. As you'll see here also, this can be done by mail or through a third party. So this gets a little bit confusing, I think. Could have been created a little bit clearer, but these aren't necessarily options. Option 2, by mail, third party, or option 3, third party. It's really by mail. You have to fill out the notary public information, or you have to have it notarized by a notary public, I should say. Or you can do that as a third party. If you don't have it notarized, then you have to follow the third party filing down here, which is to bring, basically to fill this out and then to bring a copy of the registrant's driver's license, which I think is kind of interesting. But we're not going to be dealing with that for our purposes. We're just going to fill out the affidavit of identity and the fictitious business name statement, and then also answer some questions about publication. I hope this was helpful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message in Canvas. Otherwise, good luck.